Check it out, man. One thing you want to mark. I got my distributor off, cables and everything, cause you know, take the cap off in one piece. But one thing you want to make sure, you put turn the engine over to 2DC1. Make sure you mark your distributor. I haven't marked it yet, but I'm gonna mark it. You know, just so it'll be that much easier to put it back in, because I got it pretty on point. So I'm gonna mark it. Might be easier to see on this side. Easier to mark on this side. Make sure TDC1. Boom, mark it, mark the cap, rotor, distributor body, you know. So it'll be that easier to get back in. I've got it balled right here, you know. It's got everything on. But yeah.